How to assemble the V800 vinyl cutter plotter from AM.CO.za. In the box you will find the vinyl cutter, the feet, the legs, the cross-section, the roll bar and the screws. You will also find the power supply cable, the COM port cable, the USB 2.0 cable, the blades and plotter pin, and the utility disc. Let's get started. Use the screws supplied and begin with joining the legs to the feet. Turn it upside down so that you can work easier. Use 2 of the longer screws supplied and tighten by hand. Once both screws have fitted correctly, tighten with a spanner. Now do the same with the other foot and leg. Once that is done, it is time to fix the legs together with the cross section. Again, use the longer screws. First tighten by hand, and only once all the screws are in correctly, tighten with a spanner. Now you can simply pop the roller bar on in the support arms that are on the legs. Turn the stand around so that the roller bar faces the back and place the vinyl cutter on the stand. Screw the shorter screws into the 4 corners from underneath. First by hand, so as to be able to align the holes, and then with a spanner to secure it. The unit is now stable on its feet, so remove the travel safety wrap and then plug the power cable and the USB 2.0 cable into the machine. It's now time to address the software. Insert the utility disc into your computer and download the software. Select V-Series Vinyl Cutting Plotter. Now select AM.CO.za Vinyl Cut, Craft Design and Vinyl Cutting software. You can install either a Mac or a Windows version. The top one is for Windows, and we will install this version for this demonstration. Right-click and run as administrator. Now go through the prompts as per any software download. Once finished, launch the application. You will get an activation prompt. Click Activate. Fill in your name and serial number that comes with your machine and click OK. Once that's done, you will get a thank you for activation note. Just click OK again and you are in the program. Once in, click the cutter icon. This will open a Cut Settings tab. For model, choose the V-Series V800. For connection, you can choose between USB and printer. Choose printer. And for port, we want to choose cutter, but first we must download the cutter driver. To do this, go back to the utility disc and select V-Series Vinyl Cutting Plotter. Then select 2016 Plus model USB 2.0 printer driver. Now select Install Printer Driver. Right-click and run as administrator. Press Install. If you get a copy file error, close that window and rather install from the old drivers or Windows folder. Choose your system and right-click on the setup. Run as administrator. Click on Install and you are done. You will find the new driver icon in the control panel. So back in the software, select the cutter driver in the port selection tab. Now press Test Connection. You will find the machine will respond with a small movement and you are all done. You are now ready for work. You can find other videos including how to install blades on our sorted.co.za website. And should you need more information, you are welcome to call support on 076 666 6655. Thank you for watching.